Yes, the renewable sector in India itself is growing very, very robust. In last few years, we have seen the manufacturing capacities for modules that have been added. So today, as we talk about, we have more than 80 manufacturers of modules registered with ALMM, and more than 25 gigawatt of installed capacities of modules, which will be another 40 gigawatt is getting added. So we see around 60 to 70 gigawatt of modules capacity by end of the year. But on the other associated products like the cell and the polysilicon, with the PNI, the projects are going on. We expect those projects also to come on the ground in the operational condition in the next 1 to 2 years. So the potential, as far as market is concerned, is very huge. India is a country of 140 billion citizens, and also our demand for power is also increasing year on year. With the focus and push on renewable of the more than 300 gigawatt plant from solar, so we see the potential is very, very huge. Every year on year, we are seeing that growth happening at the ground. So today, we have almost 70 gigawatt of solar installed in the country. So another growth, 300, 450 plus to be installed. So that's the potential. As an organization, we are committed to sustainable energy solutions for our customers. So when we talk about sustainable energy, it means providing the products with the best of the efficiency, increasing our portfolio in the renewable, and also, looking at the long-term value addition and recyclability of the products being used. So starting from the efficiency, the products that we are offering, they are best in class efficiency. But we are offering the modules that we have today is more than 22% efficiency with the TOPCon that we have introduced in this exhibition. On the technology front, plus on the land scale of other commitments to the industry. We are into hydrogen now. We have started new energies under Jakson Group. So we are setting up hydrogen projects in India. We are also entering into ethanol. Our new plant for biogas will be starting operational from by end of this year in Madhya Pradesh. So that's another commitment, contributing to the fuel from the agri waste. So these are few initiatives and commitments from Jakson towards the renewable sector, and we are continuing investing a lot of investment into R&D and new production capacities being added. So as we talk today, we are already at around 1.2 gigawatt of solar module capacity, which is at our Greater Noida plant. We are now planning to add another greenfield project of 1 gigawatt of modules, and also looking at adding solar cells in our production. So other than ethanol, modules, cells, and hydrogen. So all these fields we are investing our money, and also a lot of emphasis is there on our in-house design capabilities. So we are continuously, like I am adding the product design for solar modules. So we are adding manpower in our team. We are organizing with specialized training for our teams in all the different fields for renewable. Because it is something, it is a learning curve for everybody. Our technology is changing very fast. So therefore, you have to be updated on the new technologies and see what is going to happen. So we have to be ahead of the curve. That is what Jakson has been doing for last many decades. Yes, so when you talk about 24/7 power to our customer, for that, having only renewable is not going to help. Because renewable solar energy is not available, throughout the day. You only have during daytime. So we need to store some energy to meet the requirements in the non-solar hours. And also, as we see that gigawatts of power plants being set up, the demand is not going to increase in the same way during the daytime. So we have our energy storage solutions. We have already displayed a 3 kilowatt system here. So we have a solution available for all the customers from residential 3 kilowatt to industries to commercial and for the large megawatt hours. So we are very much predominant in the energy storage space. We are providing customized solutions to our customers, because having a bigger battery backup and wastage is also not the right solution. So we are looking at the energy mix of the customer at different times of the day. So if the demand for the daytime is more, or the evening hours is more, or the non-solar hours is more, based on that we are designing the battery sizes. With the smart controller, we are able to utilize the best efficiency of the entire system. Jakson has been, providing innovative products for continuously, right from the, generating sets. We started 50 years back to the first company to launch a 600 watt peak modules in India in 2021. And we are also among the first company to launch a TOPCon 590 watt peak in the 144 cell size. So in that size, 590 watt peak is being introduced by Jakson, which is being displayed here. That is also one of its first kind. And also we are also into the operation and maintenance of various projects. And we are also working as one-stop solution to our customers. So module is something which we are working on continuously, and other than that, we are also providing other sorts support to the customers in terms of inverters. Now we are also having our on-grid inverters. So we are giving it right from 3 kilowatt to 60 kilowatt. The complete range is now ISA certified, and most of the customers who have used our products are very, very happy and appreciating the efforts being done by Jakson. That gives a comfort level to our customers. That okay, everything coming from Jakson, and they have to, for any kind of service support, they have to call only one toll-free number, and we have a 24/7 available backend team at our service, which provides fast response to the customer. See, what we are doing is, first of all, when we design any new product, we look at the best technology available globally. Then we select the right vendors who are there with us, who have that quality products available with them. And then once we test those products, we feel everything is fine, we launch our products and go for certification. At the same time, we also go for the alternate vendors. And as a commitment from the company and the focus approach, we are definitely looking at increasing the sourcing from localized suppliers. So with this increase in capacities of solar modules and the government push, a lot of local industries are coming up. So during this exhibition itself, I have met a number of new suppliers who are setting up their plants in India for various ancillary units for modules. The EVA, backseat, frames, ribbons, all these products we are looking at very, very carefully. And once we feel that technically these products are meeting our standards, meeting the global standards, we are very much committed to add that in our list of approved vendors. So I have been in this power industry for last 27 years, out of which last 10 years I have been into solar. And I've seen this entire transition happening from the increase in the thermal power plants, then all of switch to the renewable. What I see now, the kind of environment, the kind of awareness of renewable energy we are seeing, and essential to the corporate houses and to the commitment of net zero. So renewable energy has a very, very strong contribution for our sustainability. So it is not a question of just saying renewable, it is something that we have to, everybody has to adopt renewable energy. With the renewable energy, you are able to control the pollution to a large extent. Now the next challenge which is coming in this sector is the recyclability and how to dispose of the end of life products, on which I think the government policies are being made, and we are very much committed to see that whatever components we are using. Even today also I had got few meetings with our vendors looking at the raw material being used by them, how much recyclable and environment friendly it is. So when we are going to decide our suppliers, we are going to give ratings to them. So the suppliers who are going to give us more recyclable components being used in their products, so we will be preferring that. In the same way, when we are selling modules to our customers, so we are committing to our customers as well. We're going to guide our customers how to do the disposal, and so that you are able to take out the best out of the product at the end of the life cycle. So it is a continuously complete cycle, which is the efforts has to go from everywhere, not only from government, from each of us, as the industry, as a consumer, as the supply chain team and the O&M teams. Everybody has to contribute to this goal. This is very, very important if we have to reach those high scales of gigawatts of capacities, not only using the fresh material all the time.
See, nowadays, like Government of India has a great push towards REI, and the target for REI is 500 gigawatt till 2030, year 2030. So out of this 2030 target of 500 gigawatt every year, government has to put almost 50 gigawatt of solar into the system. So out of this 50 gigawatt, near about 5 to 10 gigawatt is going to be solar rooftop solutions. And specifically these solar rooftop solutions are provided in various segments. If you talk about C&I, it's a big segment because all industries, wherever the huge power demand is there. So solar rooftop is a solution where you can have your ROI in 3 years time, And after that, it was this solar installations, solar C&I installations for 25 years. So out of this 3 years, after that, it is all free. So currently, it is going to be 4 rupees per unit, what it is costing currently, as far as solar rooftop is concerned. So it is very much in. Target consumers are basically C&I segments because where there are big roofs, all industries where the power demands are huge and roofs are available. Those are our target audience because wherever roofs are there in all industries, we are putting up solars because they have huge power demand in the system. And with the help of the solar rooftop systems, we are decreasing their monthly consumptions. It's in a tune of great numbers in terms of power demand, in terms of the expenses and all. It's a great help for them. So our target audience is C&I. This expo is a great platform because this expo is for all India and all customers are coming from all various segments, because industries, your cold storages, your great people are here. So we see that a lot of vendor bases are also here because as a Jakson for solar rooftop, we are giving one solution. And what is USP of Jakson is 75-year-old organization and people have a great trust in us. So we are pioneer into energy domain and we started this journey with our genset business and now we are turning into renewables. So people know us by brand. They come to see Jakson, what they are into. So we are showcasing various products here. It's not only solar rooftop solution, it is battery energy solutions, then our modules, or we already seen that a lot of modules we are manufacturing now. So this is all like we are totally into energy domain and switching towards renewable entirely. So it's any solution, we have great offerings to the customer, be it a genset, be it a solar rooftop, be it a battery energy storage solutions. So all renewable solutions are there. And we are finding a lot of vendors bases also here. Because solar rooftop is not only module, it is inverters, it is cables, it is a lot of BOQs are involved. So these items are also here. So they are seeing our products. So we are having making a good customer connect as well as vendor base connect. So it's a great opportunity to actually grow. Where our Modi ji vision is like to have 500 gigawatt of solar or renewable solutions. So we are going to contribute to the nation in this. Thank you.